Let's sabotage. Here we go. This is what I have. One. Ooh, I saw it. Did you see it? Oh, two. Four. Oh. Six. Good job. All right, second graders, we are going to finish up our clocks today, telling time. And Miss Street wanted to do this with you guys because I didn't really get finished on Friday, and I didn't want to leave you guys with that. So I feel like my computer is glitching a little bit. So if you could comment and let me know if you can even see me. I don't know. It's acting kind of cray-cray. I'm not really sure, but I'm just going to go ahead, and if it doesn't work out, I'll take a video or make a video on WeVideo or something and upload it. So second graders, we talked about quarter, and the word quarter means 4 equal areas, and we see quarters everywhere. It's not just money. A quarter is on a clock. A quarter is a year in school, basketball, and measurement. And so I'm just going to show you these quick. We talked about a basketball game is in 4 quarters, but each quarter has the same amount or the same area or the same value as. So the first quarter has 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes, okay? In the year, we have 12 months, but in a quarter, how many months do we have in each quarter? It's the same amount, the same amount, the same amount, 3 1/4. That's right. And then we talked about our money, because we know a lot about, well, I mean, you might not know a whole lot about money, except you don't have much of it, okay? So we talked about this being the dollar, the whole dollar, and each dollar is worth 4 quarters. But underneath that is 25 pennies. So there's 25 pennies, 25 pennies, 25 pennies, and 25 pennies. So 1 quarter has the same value as 25 cents. Okay? So just keeping that in mind. Again, and with our clock, let me not forget, with our clock, we have 4 quarters. This is a quarter of time. This is a quarter of time. This is a quarter of time. And this is a quarter of time. There's 4 equal quarters. They all have the same amount, same magnitude, if you will. And we realized from Friday that's 15 minutes, because we have 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, and 15. Okay? So to play the number line game, I did not put these materials in the comments like I said I would. I'll do that today.
Yes.
And Jesse is NCIS over here, okay? So the game starts with the minutes card, okay? And the first player chooses a minute card. And you go around the clock that many minutes. Once you go around the clock 1 full hour, you get an hour card, okay? And so let's play this game like we're going to say whoever gets to 3 hours first wins the game, okay? So maybe I should say 2 hours. Let's go with 2 hours. Whoever gets to 2 hours first wins the game, okay? So if, however, you land on a quarter hour card, you get, which that is the 15 minutes, 15 minutes is 1 quarter, 30 minutes is 2 quarters, 45 minutes is 3 quarters, and 00 is the 4th quarter, okay? So then if you land on one of the orange ones, the 15, 30, 45, 00, you get to choose one of these, answer the question, and then you get extra moves, okay? So Again, I promise I'll put this in the comments. Okay, I'm sorry I forgot on Friday. So here we go. Miss Street's going to choose a card. Do you want to play with me? Okay, we're going to choose a card. So we're going to pretend that this is Miss Street and this is Zeb. Okay, here we go.
And says,
Zeb is going to go first. Move ahead 15 minutes. So Zeb is blue. 5, 10, 15. Chigga chigga. He landed on a quarter hour. That's right. So he gets to answer this question. How many total minutes have you gone? Well, we just went 15, so he went 15 minutes. So the correct move, he gets to move ahead 5. All right, Miss Street's turn. Move ahead 5 minutes. That's ridiculous. 5. All right, Zeb's turn. Move ahead 10 minutes. So he goes 5, 10. Chigga, chigga, chigga. He lands on a quarter hour card. What time is it for you? Well, 0 hours and 30 minutes. So he gets to move ahead 10 minutes. I want you guys to see this too, because it's going to be important in my 3rd grade lesson next, that when half of the clock is also the same as 1/4, 2/4. Okay, we need to keep that in mind. So he's going to go ahead 10 minutes. 5, 10. Lucky Zeb. Okay, Miss Street's turn. Move ahead 15 minutes. Go, Miss Street. 5, 10, 15. It's your birthday. It's really not, but all right, here's Zeb. Move ahead 5 minutes. Jinga, 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 jinga. He landed on the quarter hour card. Quarter hour card. Who is winning? Zeb says he is winning because he's almost gone around a whole hour and Miss Street has not. True story. So he gets to move 5 minutes. Ta-da! All right, Miss Street's turn. Move ahead 10 minutes. Here I go. 5, 10. Yes! I landed on a quarter hour card. See if I can answer. How many total minutes have you gone? Well, I've only been 30 minutes, so I get to move ahead 5 minutes. All right, here's Zeb's. Move ahead 15 minutes. 5, 10. Uh-oh. Zeb gets an hour card. Remember, we're going to play to whoever gets to 2 hours first wins the game. So Zeb gets his hour card there, okay? So he went 5, 10, 15 minutes. Miss Street's turn. Here she goes. Move ahead 10 minutes. So Miss Street's going to move 5, 10. Chigga, chigga. I landed on a quarter hour card. So I get to choose a quarter hour card. What time is it for me? Well, it's 0 hours and 45 minutes because I haven't been around a whole hour yet. I get to move ahead 10 minutes. Ta-da! All right, Zeb David's turn. Here we go. Move ahead 5 minutes. So Zeb is going to go. All right, Miss Street's turn. Move ahead 10 minutes. All right, so I'm going to go 5. Ooh, guess what Miss Street gets? I get an hour card. So me and Zeb are tied. He's went 1 full hour, and I went 1 full hour. I still got 5 more minutes. Chigga, chigga. All right. Zeb David's turn. Move ahead 15 minutes. 5, 10, 15. All right, Miss Street's turn. Move ahead 5 minutes. All right, whoa, here she goes. Now look, it's Zeb's turn, and I've run out of minute cards, but guess what? I'm just going to get these again and put them right back up here. Here we go. Keep going. Is it Zeb's turn or my turn? Oh, dear. I think it's Zeb's turn. Move ahead 5 minutes, Zebby. Chigga, chigga. He lands on a quarter-hour card. All right, who is winning? Zeb. By how much is Zeb winning? He's went 1 hour and 30 minutes. Miss Street has been 1 hour and 10 minutes. So Zeb has been around 1 hour and 30 minutes, so he gets to move forward 5 minutes. Bam. All right.
It's us.
He's closer to 2 hours than Miss Street. Move ahead 15 minutes, Miss Street. You got it.
NCIS.
NCIS. Okay.
Oh, my wallet.
Oh, good. Do you want to be on my Facebook Live?
Let's go sit on my porch.
Yes, you can.
Got to get here, dead body, Coco.
Okay, Jesse's gonna go help Gibbs. Okay, so here's Zebby. Oh, wow. Move ahead 10 minutes. Go, Zebby. Oh, wait. Is my turn or your turn? I've already forgot. Miss Street got mixed up. Jesse got me confused. I'm gonna say it was my turn. And I'm gonna move 10 minutes. 5, 10. That puts me at the same place as Zeb David. Whoop, whoop. All right. Here goes Zebby. He gets to move ahead 5 minutes. 5. Remember, we're playing for 2 hours. We're both getting close. Move ahead 10 minutes. That's Miss Street. 5, 10. Chigga, chigga. Landed on a quarter-hour card. Go, Miss Street. How many minutes have you gone? Now that's something different. How many minutes? I know I've been 1 hour. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. So I have to say, okay, well, I've been 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105 minutes. Check it out. That's correcto. Numero. Miss Street gets to move ahead 5 minutes. And I think I'm going to beat Zeb. Okay, so here's Zeb's card. Dang. Move ahead 15 minutes. 5, 10, 15. Oh, he's so close to 2 hours. All right, Miss Street's turn. Go, Miss Street. Move ahead 10 minutes. 5, 10. Miss Street gets another hour card. So Miss Street has a total of 2 hours, and Zeb only has 1 hour and 55 minutes. But you know what? I'll give Zeb a bonus if he can tell me how many minutes he has gone. He's went 1 hour and 55 minutes, but Miss Street's asking how many minutes has he gone? Thank you, Brooke. How many minutes? He's over there. Zeb's doing it. He's fine. He said 115. He says 115. Let's see. So 1 hour we know is 60 minutes. So he's went 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115 minutes. Zeb, you get a bonus jump. Okay. So I will definitely link these materials in the comments today. I'm sorry I didn't do it Friday. And you guys can make up your own rules for the game. You can play to the first person who reaches 10 hours, okay? Or the first person who gets, maybe you could say 400 minutes. That you can do that. You can. You have to use what you know about the clock and counting by 5, skip counting. Love you guys. Tomorrow, Miss Delane McDonald from West Marion Elementary is going to be starting time with you guys, okay? Telling time. No, just kidding. Miss Street, it's fine. Everything's fine. She's going to be starting with money. with you guys. And we're going to try to connect this with our fractions and, our geometry where we partitioned our shapes and halves and fourths and our telling time to connect our quantity and magnitude. So Miss Street loves you guys. I hope you have the best day ever. It's windy outside. So, be careful and remember it's windy. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.